This is a monster.
We have a monster on right now.
Here we go, Jack. This is
The time where we're gonna show you. We don't know.
Turn around. Let's see that. Okay. Now hold it up. Pounder. I'm going to estimate that at 4 pounds.
Oh,
Jackson, who's the champ now, buddy?
Grandpa's the
Keep it a secret, but go tell a friend. Look at that. Show that fish off. Woo, buddy. You're cranking and spanking. We're going to tell you the whole tooth and nothing but the tooth. So help me God. All right, please join us. All right, don't worry. I'll bail you out. Letting her go, baby. She's too beautiful to keep. Jack, how's our pumpkin looking? Let's see. Oh yeah, pretty good face.
Fish and monster pumpkins. That's what you'll find along with Bubba's Home Fix-It tips at Keep It a Secret Home and Garden. Keep it a secret, but go tell a friend.